Just kind of go up the middle here. Look at that. Look at that melted chocolate. Hello and welcome to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today I have a super easy recipe for you. I'm going to show you how to make a 1 minute, one serving banana cake or a little banana bread. Super easy. If I can do it, you can do it. Let's get started. Down below in the description box, you'll find a list of the ingredients and their amounts. I have 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and I'm going to add just a pinch of salt here, about a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/8 of a teaspoon to a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and then I'm just going to take a little fork here, just give this a little whisk. All right. Now I have a 5-ounce ramekin. You can also do this in a mug. And I'm going to take my banana. I have half of a banana here. It's a very, very ripe banana. And let's just put that in there. And take my fork and I'm going to just mash that down a little bit. Okay. Then I add my sugar. And this is 2 teaspoons of sugar, and you can adjust the sweetness to your liking. I don't think this is overly sweet once it's made, but you can reduce the sugar. You could use honey. You can use something like a stevia if you want. I'm just going to combine those together a little bit. And then let's add that flour mixture right in there. So that's really all you need to do, start to finish. It doesn't take very long at all to make this. Until it's nice and mixed. And then, optional, I like to add these chocolate chips. These are milk chocolate chips, a couple tablespoons worth. And just kind of put those in there. And I almost forgot, I have a teaspoon of oil. And you could use whatever cooking oil that you want. Coconut oil, avocado oil, olive oil, etc. And now, very quick, you can just put this in the microwave for 1 minute to 1.5 minutes. It depends on the power of your microwave. My microwave is 1200 watts, so it takes a minute and it winds up perfectly. Just check it with a toothpick, and when the toothpick comes out clean, it's ready to go. Or you can do this in the air fryer. Set your air fryer to 325 Fahrenheit, which is 160 Celsius. And you're going to bake it cook it for 10 minutes to 15 minutes. Now it's going to get a different crust on the top than it will in the microwave. It'll get nice and golden brown and crusty in the air fryer, but you need to check that with a toothpick for sure, because sometimes the middle doesn't cook as easy. And if it gets too brown on top, you want to cover it with a little bit of foil, and you can cook it the rest of the way. Or you can just bake it normally like you would in the oven. If you want to heat up the oven just for 1 serving, you could do that as well. I always just do it in the microwave. Okay, 1 minute in the microwave, and I'll come right back when it's done. And when it comes out of the microwave, it'll look like this. Again, when it comes out of the air fryer, it'll look differently. Super easy. And now I'm going to take some more of these chocolate chips, just a couple more, maybe 5 or 6 here, and just put them on top. Like that. There you go, a super easy 1 serving little banana cake made in about 3 minutes. Cooking time is about 1 minute to 1.5 minutes in the microwave, or longer if you use an air fryer or the oven. Super easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions or comments, put them down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down in the corner, press it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to dive into this and show you what it looks like. Oh yeah. I'm just going to come in here with my spoon. And just kind of go up the middle here. Look at that. Look at that melted chocolate. Looks so good. Super yummy, super easy to do.